Today, Economy Traveller and our little red carry-on bag are taking you from Roma Street Station to Brisbane Domestic Airport on the Airtrain replacement bus. The bus stop is a short walk to your right as you exit Roma Street Station. The driver will check your ticket and buses leave at regular intervals. These buses are necessary when the line is impacted by ongoing work on the Brisbane Cross River Rail project, closing different sections on certain weekends for this work. We were lucky to be able to catch a train to Roma Street from Fortitude Valley. You don't have to pay if you show them your pre-booked Airtrain ticket. It's important to read the updated schedule information on their website or TransLink, as different stations may be impacted. We give you the websites at the end of this video and in the description. Our bus used busways and highways to reach the airport and took about 25 minutes. This depends on traffic and route if the closures are elsewhere. Unlike the train, the bus doesn't stop at the international terminal first. It just does a loop, taking in the domestic terminal, then the international terminal, and back to the city. Thank you. When you exit the bus, your ticket will be scanned and you can proceed up the travelator to access the departures level or use the lift behind the travelator. If you've enjoyed our video and would like to see more how-to videos, please let us know what you're looking for and we'll try to help. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.